Hello everyone, this is Siken. We will show you how to remove and install the Android radio today. Please follow me. Firstly, we will remove the silver decorative strips on both sides. Next, we unscrew the two screws that secure the glove box and take it out. Then we'll pry open the top cover plate. Remove the small panel next to the steering wheel again. Now let's unscrew these 4 screws that secure the original car host and remove the original car host. Unplug all the plugs on its back. Okay, now dismantle the emergency light button. Then disassemble its 2 air vents. Then install them separately onto the car radio that is ready to be upgraded. Now start connecting the wires. This is a video input cable. These 2 are USB transmission cables. This is an RCA audio cable. Then we connect the Canbus box. Then connect the radio antenna. Connection protocol serial port. Finally, connect the power plug. Now we will connect the power cord to the original car plug according to size. After we have installed everything, we will then reinstall the previously dismantled miscellaneous box. Install the silver decorative strip as well. Finally, reinstall this small panel as well. The upgrade has now been completed as it supports some of the original car functions. It is necessary to set up Canbus before use. After the support is completed, it can support the original car steering wheel buttons to control the volume, switch, etc. Then the screen above will turn into the original car information. If your car has a camera, it can also be used directly. Support door switch reminder. In addition, it has many other rich functions such as watching movies, support offline or online map navigation, support automatic radio station search, supports Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music, support wireless Carplay, Android Auto. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.